Hello guys, it's Dennis here again, your Framer expert. So today I'll bring to you an exciting Framer content. A client of mine wanted to test my proficiency in Framer and was like, can I recreate his website? Here's his website. This is his website and this is what I recreated for him. And as you can see, made in Framer. I am exceptionally good in Framer. I can recreate anything you want me to recreate. As you can see, this is his website and here's what I did. Everything is working well. The FAQ section is smooth, just like how it is in his website. And if you want me to show you how I did this, kindly let me know in the comment section and I would definitely show you how I did the FAQ section. So let me take you guys to my Framer file. As you can see, it is super responsive, and that's what I love doing whenever I want to create a client's website. Let it be super responsive, because if it's not super responsive, I don't cater for every needs of the client's users. Let's take the desktop, laptop, and tablet. Most developers just do desktop, tablet, and mobile. I think about every one of them. I think about the desktop user, I think about the laptop user, I think about the tablet user, and lastly the phone users. Most omit laptop. I don't know why. Laptop is very, very essential. So if you want to design and develop a website on Framer, kindly let me know and I'll do just that for you. If you want to recreate a website that you have inspiration for, that you're like, I just want my website to look like this and even better than this and have some other features I see in other websites, I can make that possible for you. I can build your website to perfection. So let me know, and in the coming days I'll be showing you amazing website which I recreated for some clients who wants to use those websites I recreated for templates. So they come to me and tell me if I can recreate it. I recreate them and they use those website for Framer templates. So till I come your way tomorrow, guys. Bye.